contest is scheduled for one fall and has no time limit. Gorgeous tall, weighing in at 123 pounds, from Florida, South Carolina. She is the great Mae Young.
Oh, Mae Young going up to the camera. Oh, you can just tell it. Mae Young is the first entrant in the NWF $25,000. Oh, she's freezing the rope. Freezing the rope. Just like her partner, Miss Scarlett, burns the rope. Mae Young freezes them. You know what, Tom Smith? I'm glad to see that you're back, even though I would love to do a show all by myself. But she's looking for something. Oh, she's looking for her opponent. Yeah, there's supposed to be mystery men galore in this one. Who knows who's going to come out?
The following contest.
And here comes her opponent.
63 inches tall, weighs 255 pounds. From West Virginia, Sam Shotgun.
Oh, obviously, we all know who it is now. It's Sam Shotgun. No surprises so far.
That 25 grand is mine.
Oh, you can tell everybody's going to be looking for that $25,000.
Give me the money.
Mae Young's asking him to leave the ring.
Enter the ring! Enter the ring!
I have entered the ring.
Enter the ring!
She's asking him to get out, but...
No, enter the ring!
I did enter the ring.
Enter!
You old bag.
Come on, fight me! Come on, fight me!
You did enter the ring. Or I did enter the ring.
Come on!
this contest is about to get underway. There's the bell.
Come on! Come on, get in the ring and grapple me! Get in the ring and
Mae
grapple
Young's
me!
still standing outside the ring asking him to grapple.
What? I'm not outside the ring?
Get in. Get in the ring.
He wants to brawl outside, Mae. Get in there. Show him what greatness is about. Oh, he headbutts the great Mae Young and she's down.
Yeah.
Mae Young's
Yeah.
over 80 years old.
Yeah.
I think she's 84, 85.
No!
Snapmare! Snapmare! Patented Snapmare from good old Mae Young. Now she's pounding. Maybe she's going to set for the Bronco Buster. The pin. 1, 2. A quick kick out at 1.5 for Sam Shotgun. And a elbow to the head of Mae Young. He doesn't want to take any time with Mae. These are the first two. 1, 2. These are the first two competitors in the gauntlet. They've still got 33 other wrestlers to face yet to win the $25,000. So these two are at a complete disadvantage. Mae Young still thinks she's on the outside.
How come you're not getting counted out then, man?
I don't know. Looks like both these wrestlers don't know what to do. Oh, kick.
Come on, man. Holy man.
What you need to do in a match, clothesline. What you need to do in a match like this is attack fast and try to eliminate people as fast as possible. Now Sam is going on the attack against Mae Young. Mae Young grabbing a hold of him, fighting her way back up. Well, she's back down. Well, she's going for a test of strength.
What are you doing?
She's grabbing hold of him.
Get off me!
A chop. A chop.
My face!
Chop. Mae Young's on the attack now. Oh, what a surprise. Snapmare. Snapmare. Could this be it? Oh, Shotgun tripped Mae Young. Got her in a... Oh, in a submission hold. You tap out, Mae Young. Mae Young, do you submit? Mae Young, do you submit? You submit, Mae.
I break you, old lady. Old lady, I break you.
You tap out?
Come here, lady.
Now he's telling Mae Young to come here. What has he got hooked up for? A body slam. He's going to the top rope. Leg drop on Mae Young. This could be it, folks. 1, 2, 3. It's over. Sam Shotgun defeats Mae Young. Now we're awaiting Sam Shotgun's next opponent.